Dear students of class 10th of Government at Snandimag, today let me deliver on a precise introduction to the topic The Merchant of Venice, adapted and abridged from Charles Lamb's Tales from Shakespeare. And as far as this play, The Merchant of Venice, is concerned, The Merchant of Venice, The Merchant of Venice, The Merchant of Venice, it is a tragicomedy. And what does this mean? Tragic comedy means it is mixed with both tragic and comic scenes. Tragic and comic scenes. Simply we can say both pathos and hope. It is blended with both pathos and hope. ات منٛز چھِ افسوسناک کہانی نظرِ گژھان افسوسناک سیٖنز نظرِ گژھان تہٕ مزاحیہ یتھ أسۍ کامِک چھِ ونان تِم سیٖنز تہِ نظرِ گژھان. And as far as the main characters of the story are concerned, the first character of the story is Antonio. Antonio is the hero of this story. And Antonio, he is a paragon of loyalty. As far as his character is concerned, he is a paragon of loyalty. Paragon of loyalty. Paragon means perfect example. Misal yatھ أسۍ ونان چھِ. Perfect example of loyalty. Perfect example. So, I have told you that Antonio is a paragon of loyalty and he is also an emblem of generosity. Emblem of generosity. Emblem of generosity. And as far as this Antonio is concerned, he is having a friend, the second character of this story, whose name is Bassanio. Bassanio is Antonio's friend, and this friend of Antonio, he is going to marry a girl whose name is Portia. And this Portia, she is the heroine of this story. Because in the end of the story, this Portia, in the disguise of Dr. Belitzer, saves the life of Antonio. Now, as far as Shylock is concerned, Shylock is the pivot of the story. Shylock, he is the pivotal character, central character of the story, and he is a wicked Jew. एक यहूदी है, कमजात है, बदबख्त है. He is stingy. एक कंजूस टाइप का आदमी है. And he is also selfish. खुदगर्ज आदमी है. and he's a man of evil character who hated every good and moral person. And the main point in the story is that this wicked Jew, he harbors a grudge and abhorrence against Antonio. Harbors enmity with Antonio. Enmity, abhorrence, grudge. Why he harbors grudge with Antonio? Because Antonio is a good person. As I have already told you that Antonio is an emblem of generosity and loyalty. He is Christian, whereas Shylock is Jew. And Antonio lends money to people interest-free, whereas Shylock is mean by nature and vengeful. Vengeful means वो लोगों से बदला लेता है. Shylock is vengeful by his very nature and approach, and he avenges himself upon those who ever insulted or opposed him. अगर कुन साथ अमिस इंसल्ट कर्मच तमिस ये बदल हेवन in one way or the other. And he's an opportunist, एक मौका परस्त आदमी है, and waits round the clock to exploit any chance that drops his way. In precise manner, I would like to say that this Shakespearean play, which is a tragicomedy that is blended with both tragic and comic scenes, mixed with both tragic and comic elements, and in this play, love, hatred, mercy are the dominant themes. Antonio, who is a merchant of Venice, he borrows money from this Jew, that is Shylock. Why he borrows this money from Shylock? He borrows money to enable his friend Bassanio to go to Belmont and to get married with Portia. And when he borrows money from Antonio, he signs on a bond that if he would not make the refundment of the money in appointed date and time, Antonio reserves the right to cut off a pound of flesh. This Shylock reserves the right to cut off a pound of flesh from any part of Antonio's body. So this proves that Antonio is having great friendship, true friendship with Bassanio, which is the main theme, which is also a theme of the story. Friendship is also a theme. The friendship inculcated by Antonio with Bassanio. He borrows money from Shylock. Antonio borrows money from Shylock and gives this money to Bassanio so that Bassanio should get married with Portia. But when Antonio fails to repay the money, to make refundment of the money in due course of time, the Jew, that is Shylock, brings a case against him in the Duke's court. So this Shylock brings a case against Antonio in the court of Duke of Venice, wherein Portia appears a legal expert in disuse, and she is able to save Antonio's life in a very intelligent manner. So, in a nutshell, I would like to conclude that Merchant of Venice, Shakespearean play, having multifarious themes like money, love, revenge, justice, forgiveness, and mercy in response to injustice. And applying these themes to the story, we can clearly see how these themes run and work their way through. While Antonio is the symbol of love, who risks his dear life for his friend, Shylock is greedy that he can kill people for his monetary profit. He wants the pound of flesh from Antonio. The way Shylock seeks to take revenge for petty reasons, like having been accused and abused for usury and injustice, is put in contrast to the just and forgiving nature of Antonio, who forgives Shylock despite Shylock's revengeful approach. Shylock is unjust both in his dealings and in his approach to Antonio, but the latter responds with mercy on his turn. Antonio could claim half the money and property of Shylock as per the law. When Portia wins the case, but he shows his generous nature by waiving his right. This merciful tendency on his part, in contrast to Shylock's injustice, brings home the theme of the story effectively. Thanks. In the next lesson, I will make you explain the questions of this lesson and themes